How to upload profile image on Behance. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can upload profile image on Behance. One thing you must notice that to upload profile image on Behance is not far-fetched, it's not difficult. It is very easy. So watch this video to the end. The first step after logging into your Behance account is to move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see some icons such as share your work, the search bar, the inbox, the notification, then a profile icon. Once you see your profile icon, just place your mouse cursor on it. After doing that, in the box displayed, scroll down until you can see Behance profile. Once you can see this, just click on it. Then after clicking on Behance profile, you go to the profiles page. On this page, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see the profile image, and then just go ahead and click on it. Now, once you've done that, you can see your location and then you can see edit your profile, right? Then once you've seen that, just click on edit your profile. Then after clicking on edit your profile, you'll be taken to this page where you can now edit basic information such as your first name, your last name, occupation, etc. And then you can see the profile image and the upload icon. So just go ahead and click on upload. Then once you click on upload, you'll be the file explorer will open by the top left corner, and from there you can now select the kind of profile picture that you would want. And after selecting, click on open, and then you can decide to resize it. Okay, and then once you're done, click on crop and save, and then just like that the profile picture will be uploaded. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.